Hey there, I'm Kathy with the Traveling Homesteader, and today I'm actually traveling. You can see I'm not on the farm anymore. So today was just a day that I decided to go with my mom out to the coast and just have some fun. And sometimes that's what it means, is just getting off the farm, getting off the homestead, and going someplace local that just is fun and easy. And in my case, today we're going out to the coast, and it's literally a day trip. It's an hour and a half or 2 hours to the coast, depending on which part of the coast you go to. So I thought I'd share with you some of the places that we're going, and realize that in some cases, you may be even able to do an overnight and do it as cheaply as like $5 a night, $10 depending on state parks, and all that sort of good thing. And sometimes you go up on a higher amount, depending on hotels or other resorts that you may choose to stay at. So come to the coast with me and check out some of the things that we've done today and a quick visit to the coast. So now that it's turned a little rainy at our next stop on the line, this is actually a spot. The last time I was here was low tide and I brought my dogs. So sometimes when you go to different places, you can come by at different times and see it with different experiences. So this happens to be Newport, and I'm at the Marine Hatfield Center. So that's something else that you might be able to look into, is checking out different local experiences. In my case, this is the Oregon State University Marine Hatfield Center at the coast, and you can check it out with your kids or even yourself and just kind of have fun, new experiences on a quick day trip. Sometimes when you get out to the coast, you just like the view. In my case, the smell here is actually pretty great. So we have a fishing boat here that, believe it or not, this is one of the vessels that goes out and does some deep sea fishing. It's one of the businesses that they have out here, which is kind of cool. So I'm actually going to go check them out to see what they might have to offer in the future, so I can go out and check that out. But I thought I'd show you this view of this harbor, and it's just kind of a nice day. So now I'm back on the farm, back in front of the oak tree where the bees are, and in front of the sheep pasture. And I just wanted to share today's little adventure, something a little different, to help you realize that you can get off your farm or get out of your space and do something a little different once in a while that doesn't have to break the budget and doesn't have to be far. And so you can do things as expensive or as frugal as you like, just to have something different. And for me, going to the coast today with my mom was kind of a fun little adventure. And we were able to go to two different towns, actually a couple of towns, but two main towns on our coast called Newport and Florence. And so you'll see some of the pictures and videos along the way. Hopefully you'll enjoy seeing that as much as I did. And the other thing is just to remember that you can go and do these things pretty low budget if you want. We happened to go out to have lunch, and then we kind of got some snacks along the way. You could always bring your own snacks or your own food as you choose, or make kind of an event out of it. Some people will go camping, some people will go hoteling or glamping. And so having these different options available to you on whatever budget you want to spend is kind of nice. So some things you might want to kind of check out is if there's a particular destination you want to go to, and find out all that's in that area. You might be able to find some new spaces that you never knew were there. And so with this, I hope you had an enjoyable time with this quick little video. And if you have a chance and haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, leave a message, or just kind of hang out and see what else we have to offer. So thanks for stopping by the Traveling Homesteader and Gyroscope Farm. Toodaloo.